After the set experienced on Thursday, where the witnesses of the PEP were stopped from speaking to BVAS machines due to the fact that it was not marked, forcing the tribunal to adjourn. The PDP witnesses were on Friday morning allowed to give evidence about the BVAS machines after they have been marked as exhibits. Our senior reporter, Best Orator, captured the Friday tribunal proceeding in Abuja.
At the resumed hearing on Friday, everyone was anxiously waiting to know the usefulness of the BVAS machine brought to the court on Thursday by INEC officials after the petitioner subpoenaed the umpire to produce the BVAS machines in court. Petitioner's counsel Rotimi Ogueson informed the tribunal that their witness was ready to testify. Haruna Ibrahim, 34 years old man from Sabo quarters in Auchi, Isaka West local government area of Edo State, was the PW15. He said he was at the tribunal in Benin on 11th of October 2024 to sign his witness statement. The witness was shown to him, which he identified and prayed the tribunal to admit it as his evidence in the matter. He said he was the one that drew the draft at PUW 8/8/7. The tribunal counsel told the witness that in paragraph 1 of his deposition, the witness said he is an accredited voter and accredited agent, and as such, he functions in that capacity in the polling unit. He was shown an exhibit to look at. At this point, counsel to APC Onyenchi Piazuese objected, saying that what the petitioner was trying to do was to lead the witness in evidence, but said that the witness cannot be led in evidence as his duty is just to identify his statement and adopt same. Petitioner's counsel Rotimi Ogueson said the witness in his deposition said he is a registered voter, so he can be led in evidence, saying that nothing is wrong for the witness to identify the voter register. Ogueson said the respondents can give their objection and address it on a later date. Chairman of the tribunal, Justice Wilfred Pochi, said the witness made reference to his agent tag and that the witness can identify the tag and not to refer to a document the witness did not plead in his deposition. He said because the witness is a registered voter does not automatically mean that the witness is in a position to be shown a voter register for him to identify when it was not pleaded in the witness statement on oath. At this point, the petitioner's counsel tactfully withdraw the statement and instead asked the witness to tender his agent tag, which the witness pleaded in his statement. Respondent's counsel objected to the admissibility of the document. However, the document, which is the agent tag, was then provisionally admitted in evidence by the tribunal. Ogueson asked the witness to take a look at the document he mentioned in paragraph 4, which is IREF Exhibit PDD29, which is the BVAS machine. Here again, the APC counsel said the witness cannot be shown the BVAS machine, that the witness only pleaded photographs from the BVAS machine and not the BVAS itself. On his part, Ferdinand Obiesien, counsel to Pueblo, also objected, insisting that the witness only mentioned photographs from BVAS machine and not the BVAS. However, petitioner's counsel, Ogueson, said the witness expressly mentioned BVAS machine and so he can speak to the document. Obiesien, on the other hand, said the witness in paragraph 4 of his deposition said we will recognize the photocopy of the BVAS screenshot if shown to him. The tribunal, however, said that with what is pleaded in paragraph 6 of the witness deposition, the witness can identify the BVAS. PPDD19, which is the BVAS machine, and PDA19, which is the IRF copy of the results, and PDC18, which is the screenshot of the BVAS records, were shown to the witness, which he identified. Under cross-examination by Kanu Agabi SAN, said the witness should be shown an exhibit and asked if all agents of the various political parties signed the unit result sheet. The witness said that all agents of the various political parties signed the result, not because the result was accurate, but because he needed a copy of the result for his party. He was shown the result sheet and was asked if the word BVAS occurred anywhere in the result sheet. The witness said no. Asked who made the entry of the result, the witness said such questions should be directed to INEC. Asked if he made any protest in writing to his party, he said he did not protest in writing to his party. Asked if he has any correspondence from his party after he protested, he said he received none. He was shown exhibit PDA19 if there was any mention of voter register on the face of the document. He said yes. Ikpeazuesien said exhibit PDA19, which is the IREF result uploaded at the polling unit before the original, was taken to the center, and the witness agreed and said the BVAS was only taken to the World Collation Center along with the unit result sheet. The witness also agreed. He asked the witness that from the training he received results are supposed to be reconciled from the unit results to the ward results. The witness said he does not know because he was only trained as a unit agent. Then asked if he was at the ward collation center, the witness said he was there to give a copy of the unit result sheet to his ward collation agent. Asked if he has the CTC of the original results that he took to the collation center, the witness said he only has the IREF CTC copy. The witness said his complaint is that the overvoting at the unit was transferred to the ward result sheet. The witness was then shown Exhibit PBH8, which is the ward result containing his polling unit. And at his polling unit, the reconciled figures shows that APC recorded 120 votes, PDP 75, rejected votes 6, and total, according to respondent counsel, was 201, which the respondent counsel said the figure showed there was no overvoting. The witness still insisted that there was overvoting. Ferdinand BVAS asked that the BVAS machine should be shown to him to tell the tribunal if any figure appeared on the face of the BVAS. The witness said the face of the BVAS is not showing anything because the BVAS is not on, and asked if he could switch it on. He said he was not trained to do so. Asked if he has operated the BVAS machine before, he said no. He agreed that for the BVAS to be operated, someone who is trained on it should be the one to operate it. He was shown the result of his unit and was asked to look at the unit result to check the figures if there was overvoting. The witness said he cannot add up the figures, that is only INEC that can add the figures together. The witness said he only referred to the form EC8B and not the figures in the form, which he said is not correct. Exhibit PDC18 was shown to him and asked if he was the maker of the screenshot of the BVAS machine. He said he has never operated the BVAS machine before. He said he did not make any document except his own statement. Second witness, 26-year-old Taye Esther Okwo, PW16, said he made reference to paragraph 6, that is the CTC copy of IREF of EC8A, Ward 1, Unit 2 of Akoko Edo. She confirmed the BVAS report and other documents, adopted them, and asked the tribunal to admit them as evidence in the petition. Under cross-examination by Kanu Agabi SN, the witness was shown Exhibit PDA1 and was told that she did not sign the result sheet. The witness agreed that she did not sign because of overvoting. Asked if her name and signature was on the document, the witness said no. INEC counsel Kanu Agabi SN said looking at the face of the document, nothing to prove that she was an agent of his party. The witness said her agent tag is enough to prove that she was an agent. The counsel put it to the witness that even though she was appointed as the polling unit agent, she was never at the voting center. The witness said she was there and didn't sign the result because of overvoting. Asked if other agents and the presiding officer signed the result sheet, the witness said agents of other political parties, including INEC presiding officer, signed the document. Onyechi Ikpeazu took his turn to cross-examine the witness. He requested that Exhibit PDA1 IREF result of Ward 1 Unit 2 be given to the witness, and she should add up the vote cast of APC, which was 142, PDP 83, one each to other political parties, which she said amounts to a total of 227, and there was one rejected vote and one spoiled ballot, which adds up to 229. The witness said the spoiled ballot cannot be counted and maintained that the number of accredited voters is 288 and not 227. PBA1, which is from EC8B, the word result was handed to the witness to check the second column, Unit 002, which is a total of 288 and not 229 ballots. But the witness says she does not know anything about the result, but she thinks there is an error. Ferdinand BVAS, who also cross-examined the witness, said because the witness did not see the forms EC8B before she made her written statement on oath, she did not know if the figure written amounts to overvoting or not. The witness said she noticed overvoting during the sorting and counting of ballot papers in her polling unit, but she did not know the figure that was reflected in forms EC8B at the ward levels. Thereafter, the witness was shown the BVAS exhibit and was asked to read the figures in the BVAS. The witness said she cannot because the BVAS was off, and so the witness was then asked to put it on. The witness said she cannot switch the BVAS on. Next, the witness was asked who put on the BVAS for her to know the scores. The witness said it was the presiding officer that opened the BVAS to show all agents that the machine displayed 0 figures before the election. The witness said after the election, the BVAS was displayed to them and it reflected 288. Ferdinand BVAS said the tribunal was not there when the witness said the figure was shown to them as agent at the polling unit, and also she did not display the figure before the tribunal during her testimony. It was at this point that the tribunal went on break. Former governor of Edo State and senator representing Edo North Central District, Senator Comrade Adams Eric Ushomole, who observed Friday's proceeding, spoke with journalists.
Well, you don't comment on matters in court. I come to watch, to observe the proceedings. And I'm satisfied that the proceedings are going well. It is not for me to do any evaluation. That is the prerogative and the absolute responsibility of the tribunal.
As the 180 days for the tribunal winds down, cancer parties are now adopting strategic means of driving home their points vis-a-vis asking technical questions to prove petition or otherwise discredit the petition. One of such that played out today was PW15, the first witness for the day. In the witness deposition, he had said that he saw the screenshot of a BVAS result before he made his deposition, that is his statement on oath. However, cancer to the All Progressives Congress, Oyechikbe, as we're saying, discovered that the witness only got to see the screenshot of the BVAS result on the 8th of January 2025, which contradicts the statement on oath of the witness that was done on 11th of October 2024. The argument continues, and the tribunal will definitely have the final say. From the National Judicial Council here in Abuja, Best Orator reporting for BTV News.